Before we jump right into writing programs, let us revise or discuss again ASCII characters. So capital A as character has equivalent integer value as 65, B has equivalent integer value as 66, and so on. So capital Z is 91. Also small a is 97 and small z is 122. Digit 0 as character symbol is integer value 48, and so on. Digit 9 as 57 as integer value. So you can have basic ASCII characters starting from 0 till 255, which are total 256 characters, and these are part of these 256 characters. Apart from these, there are special characters like this, or a complete stroke, or a dotted vertical bar, which we have seen in earlier lectures. But we are revising it again because we will be requiring this knowledge in upcoming programs.